Some people ask what I do in my free time, and when I tell them I'm an FPV drone pilot, their eyes widen with intrigue. Flying FPV, first-person view drones, isn't just a hobby. It's an adrenaline-fueled adventure that has turned my world into a high-speed, high-stakes playground. For some, excitement comes in fleeting moments. For me, it's a constant cinematic adventure. With my drone, I unlock new perspectives, diving into landscapes that seem straight out of a blockbuster movie. In Finland, during Midsummer, the sun never sets, creating an endless golden hour. My drone captures the city's serene beauty in perpetual twilight, transforming it into a fantastical realm of continuous cinematic splendor. When the sun sets, the city transforms into a vibrant playground. I capture the pulse of the urban jungle. My drone zips between skyscrapers, glides over neon-lit streets, and captures the electric energy of nightlife from extraordinary angles, turning the cityscape into a cinematic dreamscape. So, when people ask what I do, I tell them I capture the sky. I create visual masterpieces. I live for the thrill of the flight and the magic of the moment. Because being an FPV drone pilot isn't just about flying, it's about crafting epic stories and seeing the world through a lens of adventure and wonder.